So this is another quick update video on what we've been up to at RoughEdge. The Alien Planet update currently still a work in progress that was put on hold for the sake of our newer asset packs over the span of 6 months. Since these packs have been completed and is currently being uploaded to Fab, I'm continuing this project to bring new materials and pack level actor prefabs to the Alien Planet asset pack, with a second brand new biome completely for free. This, as mentioned before, will empower artists with large assembly chunks to fill in large portions of the environment with tons of detail and with ease. Now to our next project, Tanks and Conflicts. We have posted this on the socials and YouTube shorts a couple months back and never really talked about it since, but we are developing our own video game. Tanks and Conflicts is a fast-paced, close-quarter, tank-based, hero-like shooter with an emphasis on cartoony physics and 100% destructible environments. We are still testing, prototyping, learning, and developing, but we'll have some awesome things to show off over the next month. If you're interested, join our Discord. Invite link is in the description. We've teased this pack before, but have finally begun the actual pack assembly. The Highland Ruins pack. I'm currently setting up the folder structure for this pack and will be releasing it as soon as the 25th of May. This photoscanned pack will guarantee absolute modularity and options beyond anything we have offered thus far, as well as have raised the overall quality and budget spending on this asset pack. I'll be making a speed level design video using this asset pack next week, mixing fantasy and photorealism, utilizing Lumen and Nanite at their maximum potential. The Highland Ruins pack is extremely versatile and is completely geometry based to work well with Nanite and to keep shader costs as low as possible. From small high quality rubble piles to photoscanned landscape textures to large granite castle structures, everything was scanned with precision, patience, and with trial and error. All interiors and exteriors are possible, and you'll see this in action next week, Friday. Stay tuned.